Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make just a regular flat circle. Some of you may have problems making a circle, but I promise by the end of today's tutorial, you'll be a pro at making circles for any projects. And all you need for today's tutorial is some yarn, and today I've chosen just the regular brown yarn, and it's a medium weight. And I've taken a G size 4.25 millimeter crochet hook, and by the way, it is an ergonomic hook. You need a pair of scissors, a darning needle, and a crochet marker, or just a little piece of yarn if you like. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to make our circle is we're going to make a magic ring. Now, before I go on, if you don't want to do the magic ring, I have a video on my channel that's called The Alternative to the Magic Circle. So if you need to go back and watch that one, then pause this video, go back and look at the alternative, okay? So for the magic circle, we're gonna yarn over 2 fingers, we're gonna make a cross, we're gonna grab our hook, we're gonna go under the thread that's closest to the ends of our fingers, grab the other thread, and twist, okay? Then we're going to grab this yarn here, and we're going to pull it through and make a chain, okay? So what we're going to do for our circle is we're going to go and make chain 2, okay? So now we have a total of 3 chains on our circle, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go and make 11 more double crochets all the way around, okay? We're going to make 11 to fulfill that circle, okay? So okay, now I've made 11. So now we have a total of 12 double crochets. So we're going to pull our magic circle tight, give it a tug to close. We want to make sure that we close this loop, this gap, okay? Sometimes it closes all the way and sometimes it just doesn't. Okay, then we're going to take this last stitch that we had here, and we're going to go to the top stitch of that very first chain that we made. We're going to go into that top stitch, this stitch right here. Okay, grab your yarn, pull through, and we're going to make a slip stitch. Okay, so now we have the start of our circle. But what I want to do is I want to make this circle a little bit bigger. So we're going to move over one stitch to the left. Insert your hook, and again we're going to make a slip stitch. Okay? Then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you need to, you can use a crochet marker, or you can just insert a piece of thread anywhere on that chain, because sometimes when you get to the other end it could be confusing if you're a beginner and you don't know where exactly that you started. Okay, because that'll be important when we get back to that end to secure that circle all the way around. Okay, so now we're going to make another double crochet in that same stitch that we just came out of. Okay, so it's double crochet. Now we're going to make 2 double crochets in each stitch that we made. So now we're going to have 24 double crochets. Okay? So, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. And again, another stitch, a double crochet in that same stitch. Okay, so now we're at the end. We've done the last set of double crochets, and you can remove your crochet marker. Then we're going to go to the top stitch that we made at the very beginning of this particular chain, and we're going to insert our hook at the very top, grab our yarn, pull through, and make a slip knot, a slip stitch. Okay. Then you can cut your yarn and you can pull it through, and you can grab your darning needle and you can pull it through. Weave in your ends. I like to take that first tail that we started with at the beginning and just weave it in, just for good measure. Okay. Now here is a tip. If I had used a bigger hook, then your circle would have been bigger. So that's just one of the tips that I have for you. The other tip I have is, the more rows you keep going, every time you make another row, just be sure that you chain 3 and then start your row again. So this circle can get as big, as wide as you would like to have it. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and share this video and like it, and I will see you in another video. Bye!